In this video I want to show you how to set up a Facebook profile in 2026. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open Facebook. After open Facebook, click menu and click your profile. Okay, click menu, click your profile and get started. You can add profile photo. You can add profile photo in this. Okay, for example, choose profile picture, import from Instagram. For example, choose profile pictures, gallery, my gallery. Okay, this is my profile, and stickers, text, filter, and click done and save. In 1 minute, updating my profile. Very easy. My profile is set in Facebook account. That is for this tutorial video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Please like the video and subscribe Tech4 channel. Good luck.